everyone, I'm here with the Sarojini haul. Now let's check out what I bought. I got this sweater from Sarojini. It's a long sweater. This is for 400. Then this is a long coat. This was for 450. Then I got this very nice shimmery halter neck. This was for rupees 150. This shimmery piece again for 150. This green jacket for rupees 300. This is a nice poncho which you can team up with some dresses or anything in winter just to keep you warm. So this one was again for 300. Okay, this is amazing. This pair of jeans, it's only 200. I got some beautiful jewelry. These earrings. These are for 150. This neck piece, it's for 150 only. Now is the time for some tips and tricks while you're dealing with shopkeepers in Sarojini. Try and bargain as much as possible. Almost everything you'll find should be in the range of 150 to around 500. While purchasing clothes, always check the stitches at the seams, and especially in the underarm area. Even if you find a piece really amazing, try not to show your excitement to the shopkeeper. Almost all the clothes are available in every shop, so try to move around the market and try and get a feel of our price first. As Sarojini is a street market, try to wash the clothes before wearing.